Introducing the Milwaukee M18 cordless wet dry vacuum. Designed for the rough and tumble conditions of the job site, this rugged cordless vacuum has all the power you'll need to handle the toughest cleanup jobs. A powerful motor provides strong suction and airflow. This tool is compatible with the Red Lithium Compact or XC high-capacity battery for increased productivity. The toolbox style makes for easy transport and storage, and it can be used wet or dry. For easy cleanup on your job site, choose the Milwaukee M18 cordless wet dry vacuum, powered by Red Lithium.